Today is May 1, 2024. We're looking at SPY. Today's SPY is sort of beautiful. I would say bulls and bears, make money. They're able to pick up points for the SPY. Look at the SPY. Yesterday I said one for my favorite strategy always 50 should cross 200 on 1 minute and 2 minute time frames. Look at it. 1 minute finally happened right before FOMC. I was in doubt too. I wasn't too sure on the 2 minute time frame, 50 would cross 200, would cross above 200 moving average. Because if you look at this pattern, this is what triangle pennant, right? Like a falling wedge. You can call it falling wedge. This is a typical, falling wedge. It has to have a breakout. So wait till it had a breakout about almost 30 minutes before, FOMC. So it went up here. Of course, it could go down there. It could break below or break up. But this case, most likely, you should break above based on two reasons. Yesterday, we had sell-off already. At this level, at this low level, 500, I believe we run out of seller. Okay. We have a big sell. Yesterday, we have a sell-off. And then in the evening and this morning, we have a little downside, falling wedge pattern formed. So and then when fall doesn't fall, that's a good sign. Create a falling wedge when fall doesn't fall, and also for the 2 minute yesterday, the 50 didn't cross above 200. That's another bullish signal right there. So it has, for some reason, it has to correct itself. Usually for the 2 minute time frame, 50 cross 200 is very high on the second day. If it didn't happen on the first day, it should happen the second day. It didn't happen the second day, third day, very, very extremely high probability the 50 will cross 200 moving average on 2 minute time frame. So in this case, the second day it happened. The first day didn't happen. So this is the second day happened, and also the falling wedge pattern, as you can see. And then I believe, we don't have any sellers. Remember, we always buy low, sell high. In order to sell it, the price must be attractive. At this 500 levels, it's too low. Wait for a bounce. That's what happened exactly, The sellers, come in at 508 level and then sell. What happened at 508 level? Let's look at it. 508, which is 20-day moving average resistance right here. Exactly what I said. 20-day moving average is a big resistance. All right. And also it's forming lower low, lower high. Let's see. I said this is more like a bear flag, right? And look at it. And this is if look at it, lower low, lower high. If this is a high, that means we should have a low. So lower low, lower high. Now we have a low high. How low it will go? That's the problem. So watch out. We don't have enough sellers. The whole pattern will change. Could be W shape here. W shape, that means forming a bottom. Okay. Let's look at 30 minutes. So yesterday has sell off, and then the resistance hold, the trend line hold is a major support right here. It holds. but this morning it didn't break and trade below. Now create another channel. I believe the channel is over, so create another one. There's two parallel channel. So tomorrow it might go down a little bit more and then bounce off. That's what I'm hoping. Okay, go down more and bounce. And look at smaller time frames. So 1 minute and 2 minutes looks like, you know, the 50 shall cross below 200 tomorrow. So wait for the, let's see how low it will go. Okay, and let's look at support and resistance. What's going to happen for tomorrow? Support and resistance. Now we see lots of resistance up there. 5-day, 10-day, 20-day, everything is of resistance except one support. I think this 492 should be support. As long as, and also 497 too. There's a good support too. As long as 497 holds, it should stop. Look at, if you look at Dow Jones, look at Dow Jones here. The 5-day already crossed 10-day. Look at it, 5-day already crossed below 10-day moving average. What does it mean? That means most likely for the SPY, it will follow the 5-day moving average will cross 10-day on the SPY daily chart. Most likely will follow. Let's see it will happen tomorrow or Thursday or Friday, either tomorrow or Friday. Okay, and also let's see the 497 is a strong support or not. But if you look at 30-minute chart, the chart looks like, you know, right here, maybe 498 will probably bounce off if this, you know, channel is a valid. If this is a valid channel, it should bounce off right here. So watch out. Even today bearish. Even today there was a roller coaster ride. We went up and came all the way back down to the low, but didn't close below today's low. Okay, it's just right at the low. That means, you know, maybe sellers stop selling. So watch out for tomorrow. Tomorrow it should be for the SPY 1 minute, 2 minute, you know, 50 should cross below 200, you know, it's going to happen. So wait for, you know, a new trend. Yeah, also, if you look at the 30-minute time frame, it looks quite bearish, right? It's trading below 200 moving average, and it looks like 50 will cross below 200 tomorrow. So watch out. It's still slightly bearish. There's no sign of reversal. It's still lower low for the daily. Still the bar is still lower low, lower high. You know, looks like this should be a lower high again, and then we're try to forming either lower low or higher low. Okay, not sure yet. Let's see tomorrow it will form a lower low or higher low. Okay, if it's a higher low, if it hit here bounce, it might form a W pattern. Show, you know, a quick look on what I did today, all the order exit and entry. Usually I don't show it, but today I have to show it because based on the strategy I use on the 2 minute and 1 minute, this is my favorite strategy. 2 minute time frame, 50 should cross above 200 moving average once a day or every other day. Usually happens. Today it happened. So my analysis worked. Okay, we got falling wedge. We have a big sell off and the falling wedge. When fall doesn't fall, we have no more seller. And then also the 50-day didn't cross 200 all day. Yeah, I bet on it. So I was lucky. Okay, good luck on your trading. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.